And hit, go, boom. Running man. And drop, hey. Yo, what's up guys? It is your boy here, Kevin from Revolution Ministries, back again with another dance tutorial. I love me some Fazo Beats, so we're gonna rock out. You guys have probably already seen my dance on TikTok doing this dance challenge, so I'm coming on here to make it a tutorial. Wait on the Lord. So let's get right into it. So this is my right, this is my left. We're gonna drop our right hand with our right leg. Our right leg is gonna go up as our right arm drops. So it goes hit, step, hit, and hit. And then we just do the same thing, left, right, left, left. Left, right, left, left. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, step. And then we're gonna bring our left leg in like this as we jump to the left. So it goes in and clap. And then we switch to the right, in and clap. So let's do that from the top. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, from here, we're gonna do the running man. We step, we come up, boom. We step out with our left, out, and drop. So it goes hit, hit, go, step, and drop. Ready? 5, 6, just that part, go. We go hit, hit, go, step, and drop. All right, let's do it from the top. Let's do it with music. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. I almost messed up. Let's keep it rolling. I almost messed up, my fault. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, our right leg is gonna come around. We're gonna step, 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 step. 4 times. Hey, hey, hit, and drop. We go around. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna do 2 chucks to the back. Right arm's up in a fist. Back, hit, to step. And then we go to the front, and our left arm is hit. Hey! So it goes 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. All right. So we just did from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit. And hit. And hit. And hit. Here we go. We go hit. Hit. I'll go run. Run and hit and drop. We go 2, 3, and hit. And hit. Yeah. Let's try with music. Let's try with music. Let's try with music. Music! Here we go. 5. Hey! Woo! We're almost done, so let's end it right now. Right now. Let's end it right now. Here we go. So we just did hit, turn, out, we stop, we go tilt to the front, tilt to the back, tilt to the front, then we scoop our right leg, right, left, step. So we go right, left, step. So it is right, left, step. Let's just from the rock. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Hey! I think y'all got it. Let's rock out for Jesus. Come on now. Let's get it. Here we go. Come on. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go. Hey! And hit, go. Boom. Run fun. Hey, we worshiping. Whew. I need water. That is the end of the dance. Give you guys yourself a round of applause. You guys did it. You guys crushed it. Again, here on this channel, we're all about honoring God with our gifts and talents. I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for coming out, supporting me with this dance tutorial. I want to see y'all moves. Post what you're learning. I'm trying to see. I want to see who's learning, who's growing, because we're all in this together. I love y'all. I want to support you guys. And if you guys like this content, please like, subscribe, share, comment, do all the things. And man, if you want to do some one-on-one dance training with me just to get better at choreographing or learn how you can develop, you know, just getting better at not making choreography, but doing choreography faster, even if it's like some freestyling tips that you want, man, lock in with me in the link in my bio. Let's set up a call and let's figure out how we can make these private lessons happen, all right? I love y'all. God bless y'all. Revolution out!